Hey there, I'm Tiana. Thanks for joining for today's B-Kind Craftisode. I'm going to show you how to make your DIY purse. These instructions are in your instruction booklet and are the same for each doll. We have Brianna with us here today. She says there is no planet B and she loves the environment, Earth, and nature. So we're gonna start with our fabric. We've got a cute cactus fabric and some leaves. And we're going to take our stencil here and trace around our fabric. Our next step is to cut out the circle. Our next step is to put the fabric on the purse. So we need to pop the top off. It might be a little tricky. I like to put my thumbs here and press like this. Now we put our fabric right there and pop it back on. And there's our cute purse. Oh my gosh, I love it. And I'm gonna make the next one too. Now it comes with these two fabrics, but you can continue to use this stencil with fabrics that you have from home and make hundreds of purse designs. Here's what the other purse looks like. Super cute. Thanks for joining me today for our B-Kind Craftisode on our instructions of how to make a purse. Remember that this is for all of the dolls, so the instructions are the same with our purse and our stencil and our fabrics. This has been so fun. Really glad that you're here. And remember, you can always choose to be kind.